If you're always on your phone, you should get yourself a proper Bluetooth headset. After all, life is so much easier when you can make and receive calls hands-free. The market for Bluetooth headsets is pretty saturated, so it can be hard to parse out the good from the bad. Fortunately, we did all of the hard work for you. To find the best of the best, we put 9 different Bluetooth headsets through the ringer. After hours of testing, the Plantronics Voyager 5200, available at Amazon for $106.29, ended up nabbing our top spot, as it offers great sound and comfort. If the Voyager isn't your cup of tea, don't worry, we've got plenty of other options. Number 1. Plantronics Voyager 5200. The Plantronics Voyager 5200 has all the bells and whistles you could want. The wide array of buttons really lets you customize your phone experience. In addition to mute and volume, you've also got an assistant button. You might think that having all those buttons would be standard on most Bluetooth headsets, but that's not the case. Speaking of cases, our review unit came with one that's exceptionally versatile, and sold separately. It charges your headset and doubles as a stand, which allows you to charge the headset on your desk while keeping it accessible for incoming calls. It also comes with a USB Bluetooth dongle for computers that don't already have Bluetooth. This headset produces great sound and offers fantastic voice quality. Most headsets focus on the mid-range frequencies for optimal voice transmission. But this headset pushes those boundaries into the lower and higher frequencies. Music sounds good and podcasts have a slightly fuller sound. The earpiece supports NFC, near-field communication, pairing, which is really cool. Rather than having to pair the headset via Bluetooth, you can simply hold the earpiece up to your NFC-enabled phone and it'll pair automatically. Adaptive noise cancelling, also known as active noise cancelling, lets you speak in windy or noisy environments. You can also respond to calls hands-free with the voice commands answer or ignore. My only nitpick is with the ear hook earpiece, as it's not a comfortable fit for everyone. During testing, we usually opted for the in-ear style over the ear hook whenever possible. Number 2. Jabra Talk 35. The Jabra 35 maintained a rock-solid connection during our walking and driving tests. It didn't cut out or distort during phone calls and podcasts, either. It's also very quiet on both ends of the phone call. While we didn't have any trouble understanding our caller, the other end reported some distortion. Out of the 4 Jabra headsets we tested, the 35 was the only one that couldn't connect to the Jabra Assist app. The model number just isn't listed as a supported product. Despite this shortcoming, this is the best Jabra headset we tested. Number 3. Jabra Talk 30. The Jabra Talk 30 is the only headset to have the right kind of power switch. It includes a third position for Bluetooth pairing, making it really easy to pair. The only other button is one that controls the assistant. Call quality is good, though our callers reported a tinny sound. The connection also breaks up a bit while driving, occasionally resulting in a static-filled connection approximately. The lack of volume control on the earpiece is another annoyance. When you're driving or walking down the street, you don't want to have to pull out your phone to adjust the volume every time. Number 4. Jabra Talk 45. The Jabra Talk 45 comes with NFC pairing, which is a nice little bonus. During our driving test, the earpiece maintained a steady connection, cutting out rarely. Between the small profile and good noise cancellation, it's a pretty good headset. That said, it's not a perfect product. This headset requires both an ear hook and an ear tip. Without the hook, the headset just doesn't feel secure. With the hook, the earpiece gets uncomfortable after only 60 minutes of wear. Unfortunately, the discomfort lingers long after you take it off. The Jabra focuses on a higher range of frequencies, which makes everything sound tinny, high-pitched, and hollow. During testing, our callers claimed we sounded loud and clear. On our end, we heard some speaker distortion even when the volume was set to 60%. Speaking of which, there are no volume controls on the earpiece. Enjoy the clearest conversations on both ends of your call with HD voice and 2 microphone noise cancellation technology that adjusts the volume to your environment. Note, if the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Number 5. Jabra Talk 25. The Jabra Talk 25 is a very small headset, so it's lightweight and portable. However, that's the only thing we like about it. Sound quality isn't great, as our test callers reported a foggy and slightly distorted sound. The assistant button is also a little stiff, meaning you have to push down hard. As for comfort, it starts to get uncomfortable after 75 minutes of wear. It's not the worst headset in the world, but it's certainly not the best. Talk 25 gets the most out of your media, letting you wirelessly stream GPS directions, music and podcasts from your mobile phone. It also comes with voice guidance, notifying you when you need to recharge the device, and giving updates on your connection status. With up to 8 hours of calls and up to 10 days of standby time, make reliable Bluetooth wireless calls throughout the day on a single charge. With the power nap feature, Talk 25 extends battery power by turning itself off if disconnected from a device for a full hour.